here's a really cool trick I like to use for integrating objects, especially people, into spaces. I'm going to turn off all my adjustments because I want you to see the method that I use really clearly. I'm going into the channels. I'm going to duplicate the blue channel because there's a lot of good definition in the skin on the blue channel, basically making a luminosity mask. Bring up a curve with Control M and just drop the black point down. I want to just isolate the highlights in her skin because those highlights would normally be catching the ambient color of light in the photograph. And this is also a great way to add some punch. So I set that to a selection. I'm going to bring up a solid color fill. So look, you can already tell that like desaturated the tones in her highlights of her skin. And I'm going to push it toward blue. Somewhere in there, not too far, but just to make it pop. And look at the mask. I'm going to just paint out with black any of the areas that I don't want that pop color to show up. A lot of people ask me, like, what do I do? I can't get the model to like sit into this color grade that I'm doing. And I'm like, yeah, no matter what you do, if the highlights have a certain hue that doesn't match the ambient color of light in the room, they're going to feel disjointed. And let's turn this on and off. See that before that was totally the problem, or one of the problems. It's like all of her highlights were orange. Now they match the color of the room. That's a super important tool.